see example 3.5, it's for class 12, okay, for it is the chapter electricity, okay. It's very important problem. First we will see what is given. So it is a circuit, okay. They want what is the total resistance. The first one is very easy question. Second one, what is the total current, and also current in each resistance. Here only twist is there, okay. Obtain the voltage of dropped between here V1, V2 and V3, okay. So they want, these are the three voltage, okay. It's going to be AB, BC, CD, okay. Here the voltage they require, okay. First we will see what is the total resistance, okay. Total resistance is going to be question mark, okay. So first I am going to take it as a part by part. So this is parallel and this is parallel. I am going to do first that one, okay. So 4, 4, so it's going to be 2 resistance in parallel. So 2 resistance in parallel, 1 by 4, it is 4, 4, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So it's called total resistance. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it's going to be it's x 2x, it's going to be 2 divided by 4, which is going to be 1 by 2. So Rp is equal to 2 ohms. Mostly most of the student in this step they will make wrong. Rp is going to be 2 ohms. They will be taken as a 1 by 2 sometimes, okay. So I'll get Rp as a 2 ohms, okay. Next again we have another parallel circuit also, 12 and 6. So that's also, it's a parallel circuit. So it's going to be like this, 12 and 6. So 12, 6 ohms, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6, which is going to be the parallel 1 by Rp. It's going to be a common LCM. I want to make it, so 2 numerator and denominator you can do 1 by 12 plus 2 by 12. The answer will be common LCM, we got denominator, so we'll get as 3 by 12 is equal to 1 by Rp. Rp is equal to 12 by 3, which I'll get as a 4 ohms, okay. Now I am redrawing the diagram. See here, which is going to be 2 ohms. This already I am not disturbed anything, 1 ohms. This I will get as a 4 ohms, okay. Now this I'll have 1 ohms already, okay. Now the voltage is applied as a 16 volt. Now what is the total resistance? Everything is in a series, okay. It's going to be 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, because R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4, it's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8 ohms. So total resistance is there in this circuit is going to be, total resistance is going to be 8 ohms. Now what is the total current? Total current, V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R. V in this circuit is called 16, R is called 8. So I'll get as a 2 ampere as a total current. So I got what is now total current. So total current is going to be 2 ampere. Total resistance is going to be 8 ohms, okay. Now our question is further is developed. Current on each, voltage on each, okay, voltage on each. First we will do this problem, voltage on each, then we will do current on each, okay, then only it will be easy, okay. So one thing you should keep it in mind, parallel connection voltage is constant, series connection current is constant, okay. So I have like this 1 ohms, it's going to be it's 2 ohms, and here it's 1 ohms, and here we have after solution I am doing, here we have 4 ohms, here we have 1 ohms, okay. So battery I applied as a 16 volt, okay, plus minus. So now what is the current is flowing? It is 2 ampere. Current is constant in series, 2 ampere. I is constant, 2 ampere, 2 ampere, 2 ampere, 2 ampere. Wherever you are taken, 2 ampere will be there, okay. So first V1, 2 ohms, 2 ampere. It's going to be 4 volt. 1 ohms, 1 ampere, which is going to be 2 volt, okay. Here will be 2 volt, and 4 ohms 2 ampere, which is going to be 8 volt. 1 ohms 2 ampere will be will get as the 1 ohms 2 ohms 2 volt, okay. Again I will repeat, we have like this, like this, like this, and we have like this also. It is going to be 2 ohms, which is going to be 1 ohms. This is going to be 4 ohms. This is going to be 1 ohms. I want voltage here. V1 is equal to 2 ohms. No, here current is how much is flowing? 2 ampere. 2 into 2 will get 4 volt. 4 volt. Here how much current? 1 ampere. 1 ohms, 2 ampere. So voltage 1 into 2 will get 2 volt. Here how much current? V3 is equal to 4 into 2 will get as a 8 volt. 8 volt. Here 1 into 2 will get as a 2 volt. Okay. So we found half of the solution. See here, half of the solution. So what is here means we will get as it is 4 volt. What is value of here? It's going to be 2 volt. What is the value of here? It's going to be answer 4 into 2 8 volt. Okay. So what is the value here? It's going to be 2 volt. Okay. So this answer will get totally is a 16 volt, because 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 will get as a 16 volt, which is a V applied. You can cross check your answer is correct or wrong. Okay. Now V1 is how many volt? How much volt? It's going to be 4 volt. Okay. V1 is 4 volt. V3 is how much volt will get? It is 8 volt. Okay. Now I am going to find what is the current on each. 2 ampere. In this overall circuit 2 ampere, equal ratio only the resistance is there. That means here 1 ampere, here 1 ampere. Current will be getting splitted. Okay, then it's getting added. Again here 1 ampere will be there. Okay, again it's coming. It's going to divide into 2 parts. Okay, but total will be 2 ampere. When it's coming, this junction will get as a 2 ampere. Okay. Now I'll be doing the current on each. See how I am doing. I know voltage on each. Now I am going to do current on each. So I'll do the solution how to do that. Okay. Now see here, current is coming this path 2 ampere. Okay. Here I have 4 ohms. Here I have 4 ohms. Okay. Now what is the 4 ohms? 4 ohms. Voltage we have, it's going to be 4 volt. Now what is current? Current on each? I1 is equal to dash. I1 is equal to V divided by R. It's 4 by 4. This is 4. Voltage in parallel constant 4 by 4. It's going to be 1 ampere. Here I2 is going to be dash. It's going to be 4 ohms, 4 volt by 4 ampere. It's going to be 1 ampere. So 1 ampere is coming here. It's getting added here. It's going to be 2 ampere. Again 1 ohms resistance also will have 2 ampere. Now the continuation of the junction will have like this. 2 ampere is coming. Okay. So in this 6 ohms, in this 12 ohms. Now we will have confusion how much current is going to flow here. I3, I4 I am taken. Okay. The voltage here is going to be it is 8 volt. Now parallel voltage is constant. So I3 is equal to V divided by R. So this R3 will take it this as R3, this as the R4. Okay. So 8 divided by I3, I know it's going R3, I know it's going to be 6. 8 divided by 6, which is going to be 4 by 3. Now I4 how much? It's going to be same. I4 is going to be same voltage 8, but resistance here it's going to be 12. So we'll get as the we will get 2 divided by 3. Okay. If you add I4, I3, that's going to be 2 ampere. I4 plus I3. See here, which is going to be 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. The answer is 6 by 3. So we'll get as a 2 ampere. Again, in this junction, the current is coming here 2 ampere. But here it's flowing 4 by 3. Here it's flowing 2 by 3. Together it's going to be 2 ampere. So it's going to come here at 1 ohms. It's also 2 ampere. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.